Okay, today we're going to be working on chapter 10. And let's take a look at the start files and the end files. So we're going to start with some oak trees and then make it look like a painting. And then we're going to start with a palette of paint, and then we're going to mix some colors, and then we have some brushes. I'm going to go ahead and open the palette. So I have to do double click in bridge. And then here is our palette ready to go. And they want us to change our workspace. So I go to window up on top, workspace, and then I go to painting. And go ahead and save your file in the correct file format. For our class, it would be 10 underscore palette underscore last name underscore first name dot psd. It can be whatever you want it to be. Get ready to start mixing some paint.